favorite things to me. So let's get started. The first ingredient is 2 cups of Bisquick. Then you add 3/4 cup milk. Just a little bit of garlic, just a 1/4 teaspoon. And 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Now normally we measure cheese with our parts, but we don't want there to be too much where there would be more cheese than Bisquick, so we will measure to this time. Okay, now you mix it all up. When the batter has all come together, if it looks a little too loose to you, doesn't look like it's the right consistency, just add a little more Bisquick. If it seems like it's too thick, add a little more flour. This recipe is very forgiving. So when you're ready, take some cooking spray. And then we'll put our biscuits onto the cookie sheet. Now that the biscuits are on the tray, you put them in at 450 for about 10 minutes. While the biscuits are cooking, you take 2 tablespoons of butter and a little bit more garlic powder. And you melt this in the microwave for about 30 seconds or so. Just keep an eye on it. You don't want butter splattering all over your microwave, so be careful with this one. These smell delicious. Now there's only one more step. The final step is we take this beautiful melted butter and garlic powder, and while the biscuits are nice and hot, you brush it on top. The biscuits are done. You can serve these as a side dish with dinner. I think they'd go great with a nice bowl of soup. And what's great about this recipe is you can add anything you want to it. If you don't like garlic, leave it out. If you want to put mozzarella cheese instead of cheddar, it's up to you. You can make them plain with just the Bisquick and the milk and have it with maybe some butter and jam. It's up to you. This recipe is so versatile, so I hope you can try it out and make it your own.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.